Okay, I'm going to set up DHCP in a simple way. The simplest way is first just to use one router and one computer, and I just going to set up DHCP in this router. This is going to allow this computer to get a IP address and DNS, the DNS from the router. And first of all, we're gonna connect the computer with a crossover cable to the router through the fast internet 00. I'm gonna go to the computer, go to desktop, IP address, and click in DHCP. Like that is going to get a uh, automatic DHCP address. In the router, I'm going to command line interface. Here I'm gonna write no, enable. I don't have no password here. I just gonna use just DHCP in this router. Conf T. After I am in configure terminal, that's short for configure terminal. Conf T. I'm gonna go to the interface where the computer is connected, and that's interface fast internet 0/1. And now when I am in this interface right here, I'm gonna put the okay, right there. I'm gonna put the IP address of that I wanna use. That is first of all, I put IP address tab 192.168.1.1, and the subnet mask is gonna be 255.255.255.0, a class C subnet mask. Now shut down to change the state to up to this link. Then Control Z to get out of the interface. And now I'm going to go to configure terminal once again, and we're going to configure DHCP. We do that by putting AIP DHCP and here you see that you can put excluded addresses or pool. I'm gonna put DHCP first. I'm gonna configure the excluded addresses, the address that I don't want any of like this computer to get, or any computer that I connect to this router. And it's gonna be from 192.168.1.1. That is our port address, and to 192.168.1.99. This is a local address. This address is not like a public address. This 192.168 is an address that you just used for a local network. And let's see to the missing the excluded address part. IP DHCP excluded addresses, and I gonna 192.168.1.1 to 192.168.1.99. Click enter. Alright, sweet. Now I'm going to create a pool. We're gonna do that by putting IP pool, and the name of the pool is gonna be pool Karlos. Let's just put Karlos. Enter. IP DHCP pool DA tab pool Karlos. Okay, good. Now the pool have been created, and also the DHCP excluded addresses. Now I'm going to get out of the, let's see, wait, I'm going to do the network is gonna be from 192.168.1.0. That's going to be the network with a subnet mask of 255.255.255, a class C subnet mask. Enter. And I'm going to also put the DNS server. The DNS server, you put DN tab DNS server 192.168.1.1, and the default router tab is now the computer should be able to get an IP address by itself, and it did, but it's not getting the DNS server, the default gateway. Did we configure the file gateway? Let's check. It did get an IP address. Okay, it got everything now. Sweet. That means that everything is fine now. And this is how you can dynamically get IP address from a router.